false imprisonment, and other form of trespass. False imprisonment means a total restraint of a person's liberty without lawful justification. Which one of the following is correct definition of trespass to a land? Answer is B. Interference with the possession of land without lawful justification. For tort of false imprisonment, there should be Answer is A. Total restraint on liberty of a person. Whether a person can be said to be under false imprisonment. Answer: all of the above. In a bus, train, aeroplane, in an open park or field, in his own house or vehicle. A person may be falsely imprisoned while he is all of these: asleep, drunk, unconscious. Which one of the following statement is correct? For the tort of false imprisonment, the plaintiff must be restrained from moving to any direction. Consider the following statement. It is necessary for false imprisonment that person must be touched. This one is not important. Person should be placed under restraint. Right. The imprisonment may be made while the person is conscious or not. Right. 2 and 3 right. Answer is C. A willful and unjustified dealing with the goods in such a manner that another person who is entitled to immediate use of possession of the same is deprived of that is known as both A and B, conversion or proverb. In a case of false imprisonment, the wrongdoer could be constructed even without the knowledge of the wronged. Which one of the following correctly identify remedies available to a victim in case of false imprisonment? Self-help habeas corpus action for damages. The defendant wrongfully enclosed a part of a public footway on Hammersmith Bridge. Put seat in it for use, spectator of the regatta on the river, and charge for admission to enclosure. The plaintiff insisted on passing along this part of a footpath and climb over the fence of enclosure without paying the charge. The defendant refused to let him go forward, but he was told that he might go back into carriage without cross the other side of the bridge if he wished. If plaintiff declined to do so and remained in enclosure for half an hour, then the Defendant did not commit false imprisonment. One of the remedy for false imprisonment is habeas corpus. To constitute false imprisonment, detention must be unlawful. This one is right. The period for which detention continues is material. Wrong. The period for which detention continues is immaterial. Right. The knowledge of the plaintiff about the detention is material. No. 1 and 3 is right. Which one of the following tort is actionable per se without the proof of damage to the plaintiff? False imprisonment. The state of mind of a person committing tort is relevant in trespass. Which one of the following is a breach of absolute right actionable per se? Trespass.